Sigo. Today I'm going to be talking about farm animals and the word for farm animals in Mohawk. And I'm also going to show the spelling. So the first one I'm going to do is goat. And there's a spelling. And here's a goat. And how you say it is Gayaduggerus. Goat. And the next one is a cow. There's the spelling for the cow. And for cow, it is Juhunsquarum. And horse, that's how you spell it. And horse is Yagosaduns. And chicken, there's a spelling for chicken. Get. And pig, there's a spelling for pig. And how you say it is quis. And cat. And this is how you say cat. Or sorry, this is how cat's spelled and how you'd say it. Dagos. And this is for dog. Erhar. And the last one is for sheep. And this is sheep. And you say siksik. Nyawagoa. I hope you enjoyed that.